As an engineer, I would have been familiar with the term work from home or working remotely. But COVID has really taught me what it truly means to work from home without the need to visit the office at all. Us IT professionals have the responsibility to not only maintain systems, but also to plan ahead and ensure that in the event of a disaster, a company can keep functioning. One of the biggest lessons I've learned during this time is the need for systems to keep going, even if the client is not able to visit the office. What happens when your core system is down and your IT team is unable to visit the physical site? Let's just say because of a countrywide curfew. Now, less than a year ago, this would have been a far-fetched idea. But now we see companies that are faced with this very scenario. Implementing a system with no single point of failure. One that can even plan ahead and tell you how many days you have remaining before you're out of system resources. One that can rebuild itself because of its software-defined architecture has truly shown me the importance of a hyper-converged infrastructure. In a time like this, when we need persons to stay safe, we need a system that will keep going even if we're not able to visit the office. To give you more information on this hyper-converged infrastructure, we have put together a pool of resources that you can access by clicking the link below.